here, and I've finally got round to writing down all the names of the people who have entered the giveaway to win this ASOS box from a couple of months ago, I think. I'll just give you a quick kind of look through this. It's the Looks Good, Feels Better Facing Cancer with Confidence box. You might remember this was the one that had the Huda palette in it, Nars, Charlotte Tilbury, so it was a really good box. But I'm just going to go pull out the items one to one, and then I put all the names just in this little kind of envelope, give it a good shake, and then I'm going to pull out a name. So excited. And hopefully you get this for Christmas. Well, it depends where you live actually, to be honest with you. So this first one is Too Faced, and it's Hangover, which is a replenishing face primer that is silicone free, and it's 40 mils. Have a little look. I'll show you. So this is what it looks like here. I've never tried the Too Faced anything other than their mascara, I don't think. So yep, that's a good one. The Alpha H. Now in the comments somebody asked me how this was, but this is a Daily Essential Moisturizer SPF 50. I've tried the scrub and it was really nice. So I haven't tried this, but it says it's a 3-in-1 moisturizer, super light, sun protector and mattifying primer. So that's really good. So 3-in-1 uses there. There is also, there's all the big brands in here. Real Technique sponge. So it says Miracle Complexion Sponge, Blend and Glow. I must try one of these sponges soon. I'm sure it'll just be like using my makeup wedge I used to use years ago. The Renaissance Mask for Brightening and Resurfacing Mask, and applied to dry skin. Mask will turn white, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off. I love Oskia. It is one of my favourite skincare brands. So I've already got one of these masks. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm looking forward to trying it. So next here is Charlotte Tilbury Kissing, Falling from the Lipstick Tree. So I'll just try and not bash up the packaging too much. I definitely won't swatch it. There's a little lipstick. Look, there's a little tiny lipstick. And the colour is absolutely stunning. Now I think this would be perfect for your handbag. It's got that nice wee clip. And yep. It's a good way to try the brand, isn't it? Without actually, you know, forking out the money for a lipstick and not being keen on the colour or the texture. This is Dr. Pawpaw. This is a kind of old favourite, and it's a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw. Now I think this is Tinted Peach Pink Balm. So yeah, the regular one is in a yellow container, and you can put that anywhere. I wouldn't put one that was tinted anywhere other than my lips, to be honest with you. But Dr. Pawpaw is fantastic, really good for your lips, especially at this time of year when you've got the heating on, it's cold, it's windy, you get chapped lips. Oh, and way, I love this brand. I discovered it through either somebody sent me the product or I got it in a box. I can't remember, it might be Joe Smith, but this hair oil, I've not tried this, but I do like a hair oil, and it's a really good brand. The next, so it doesn't stop, honestly. So the next item in here is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. There we go, this is my favourite. You're lucky I'm not keeping that. Missing from the box. There's Nars here, and it's Power Matte Lip Pigment. Yeah, it's only a mini, but it's Star Woman, that's the colour. And it's this little kind of, so yeah, there's a lot of, I won't open it actually, just in case the air gets into it and ruins it, but it's quite bright, nice. If you like a reddy colour for Christmas. There is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang, which was the mascara of, was it last year? Yeah, I tried that in full size, did a few videos as well. Last but not least is the Huda Ruby Obsession palette. Isn't that gorgeous? And look at the packaging, it's absolutely stunning. Now, the package, it has a mirror as well as these 9 fantastic colours. Now, I think I would kind of go and see what people were doing with that. But I think it'd be you know, perfect for this time of year. Nice festive colours. And if you can get red to work for you without it looking like you've got an eye infection, then let me know. But I might have to go and look and see what other people have done with this palette, because it's absolutely stunning. So you have the Huda palette, you have the Real Techniques sponge, Elemis rose cleanser, Oskia face mask. You have the Too Faced Hangover Primer, which is fantastic. You have the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, the Dr. Pawpaw. You have the Alpha H Moisturizer. You also have the Bad Girl Bang by Benefit and the Nars lipstick, and it rolled away there, but the way hair oil. So I put all the names in the bag, and I'm just gonna twirl them around. Okay, so making sure I've twirled them all around. There's more entries for this than usual, but there still isn't hundreds, to be honest with you, so I think you stand good odds when you enter my competitions. Right, so first name I have pulled out, and it's Nicola Grover. Yay! So Nicola is somebody who comments on my videos all the time, and so fantastic, Nicola. If you could drop me a message either on Facebook, no, I would say Instagram, probably Sparkly Lynette, on Instagram, and I will get this sent out to you. I'm going to pop your name in there as well in the box in case I forget. So hopefully if you get in touch with me soon, I can post this in the next week or so, and it can come to you by Christmas. So thank you for watching, and apologies that it's taken me so long to get that box, names out of the hat and all the rest of it. But speak to you soon. Bye bye guys.